On the day of judgment, many people will be cast into hell, and on that day, they will be told what sins they committed in the world that caused them to be thrown into hell. Adultery is a major sin, but it's not to swear that it cannot be forgiven. If one seeks forgiveness, it can be pardoned. Similarly, stealing is a major sin, but if one repents, they can be forgiven. In Islam, there are many sins for which forgiveness can be sought in this world. However, when it comes to shirk, associating partners with Allah, it's such a grievous sin that Allah is extremely displeased with it. Allah can tolerate every sin, but when a person associates partners with him or seeks help from others beside him, Allah will not forgive it. Allah sees that His servant is seeking help from someone other than him. If you commit masturbation and then repent, Allah is pleased that His servant has repented and sought forgiveness from him. But it's not acceptable to continue committing masturbation and then repeatedly repent. It remains forbidden and a significant sin. Allah will forgive every sin, but if a person commits shirk while living in this world and does not repent before dying, they will be cast into hell forever. On the day of judgment, those people will plead with Allah for forgiveness, but they will be told that there was no one in the world to inform them that they did not read the Quran. At that moment, they will fail. Therefore, one should repent from sins like shirk in this world.